Hey foodies, what's up? Come along with me. I'm in studios. I'm about to do my first live interview slash cooking session. I'm a bit nervous, but if you want to put yourself out there, you have to overcome. So leave a comment, let me know how I do down below.
Welcome back. I think what most people like about traveling is the fresh food and, of course, letting someone else do all the cooking.
Amen. So today we're bringing the flavors of the Caribbean without the long flight. So we're here now with Chef Alex. He's from Moay Cafe, which is located on South 1st Street in the 3rd Ward. I'm so excited to try it because I haven't been there yet.
Nice.
So this is great. Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Absolutely. So let's talk about this. Moay, how long have you guys been around?
So we have been around for 3.5 years. We opened in the peak of the pandemic, and you know how difficult that was.
What a
We're
time.
still going through it. So.
What kind of challenge did that present for you guys?
Well, one of the greatest challenges was actually finding people to work.
Oh,
I bet.
Yeah, so, I mean, we have a very loyal team, and we push through, and we're here.
How has the reception been to Caribbean food in the 3rd Ward?
I mean, a lot of people, they're excited about it. Most people, they have never had Jamaican food before. And some of the items that we have, even though they have had Jamaican food, some of the items are a little bit more traditional. So they're very excited to try our menu items.
Is your accent from Jamaica?
It is.
I have to ask.
It's fabulous.
Is it Caribbean or Caribbean?
Oh, good question.
What do you say?
Both.
Both. So it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter,
Okay.
but a lot of things that people don't understand is that there is Latin Caribbean and there's also West Indies Caribbean.
Okay.
So, I mean,
Caribbean.
Jamaican food, this is the West Indies side of it.
All right, what are you going to make for us today?
All
You
right.
can get started.
Today I'm going to be making one of the very popular items that we have on our menu. It's the shrimp rundown.
Ooh.
So it's made from veggies, and it's also made with some coconut cream. So I'm going to be adding in my oil, and I'm going to be sauteing my veggies.
So that's what's interesting, because I didn't know a lot about Caribbean flair, but it seems like everything is really fresh ingredients.
It is fresh ingredients, and some of the ingredients, they take a very long time to cook, so we have to be cooking and seasoning from overnight.
Yeah.
The oxtails, the braised oxtails, it takes like 6 hours to make.
This
Oh my
over
goodness,
here
that's
is the
what this
braised
is.
oxtail. That looks delicious, by the way.
And it's actually one of our most popular items
I was going to
on the
ask,
menu.
what's popular on your menu?
The braised oxtail is one of our fan favorite, and also the escovitch fish with the whole head
Tip
on
and
it.
I were talking about this.
So yeah, as I was just talking about in our travel segment, we were talking about the fish, the whole fish. It's got the head on.
Yes.
So if someone's never eaten a fish that way, what do they need to know? Because it can be a little intimidating.
It is. One thing they should know is that the bones are still intact.
Yes. Right.
So they have to be careful. They could start eating from the top and go down.
So from the top of the tail, the head or the tail?
No, the top of the spine, right?
Top of the spine,
Okay.
yes.
Because you eat in the middle of the fish.
Yes.
And you said
Have
you
you
eat
never
the skin
filleted
too.
your own
Yeah,
fish?
you eat the skin as well.
I just
And
they
then
put it
if-
on a plate for me.
If you're a little bit scared, we could take off the head for you. Some
Okay.
persons do ask to remove the head. They don't want to see the eyes looking at them.
Well, it's good to know you can request that, because someone would probably be like, I don't know if I can ask that. This obviously looks like fabulous plantains. How do you eat this? What is the array here?
Okay, so we have our fried plantains, our steamed cabbage, and also some rice and beans. And this, it comes with all of the meals.
Okay.
But we have additional sides, so if you don't want the cabbage or the rice and beans, you could ask for something else.
So that
thi-
automatically comes with your
Yeah,
entree.
so these
Oh, nice.
automatically comes with the entree.
Oh, wow. So is some of this a little bit family style? Or is it this much that comes with it? Or is it a little smaller?
Yeah, it's a little bit smaller.
Okay.
And I mean,
I'm like, that's a lot to come
It
with
is.
Yeah.
everything.
and I mean, our meals are huge as well.
What
They're
is?
Yeah, our meals are huge. They're
Yeah.
large meals.
You get served a lot. Are you?
For corporate catering. So for you guys, you could order online and we could have luncheon for your team here as well.
So if you're doing catering like that for companies, which I think would be super unique and really fun for companies to have, what kinds of things do you recommend? Like, are you saying to kind of get like a full mix of food, or what do you think is pretty popular for catering?
Well, for catering, it depends on the time of the day. So
Yeah.
for in the evening times, they prefer to have food items. And for the lunchtime, they prefer to have appetizer entree
Yeah.
options such as our egg rolls, our meatballs, our sliders, our Moay sliders. And then for dinner, I mean, we could do whatever catering that you have for
Sure.
us to do.
And you guys also have a Sunday brunch. That's,
We have a
that's
Sunday
Jamaican
brunch.
flair.
Yeah,
Ooh, we got to do that.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's
we should.
truly unique to our restaurant as well, because we have options that are not necessarily on any other menu. So those are Jamaican breakfast options such as the ackee and the sawfish, which is our national dish. We also have fried bami, and we have a porridge as well, a cornmeal porridge, and many more options.
We'll have you plate this up because I know
Yes.
we're pretty much done here for timing. But so if somebody comes in, they really don't know where to start. Is the staff pretty helpful and educated in saying like, hey, try this, or if you want these kind of flavors, they'll help you through the menu?
Of course, I mean, our team, we give you that warm Caribbean hospitality. So once you come through the door, if it's your first time, we'll set you up and let you know how to order or what flavors are the best to offer.
Welcoming atmosphere, I bet you guys.
Yeah.
have.
I love it. Chef Alex, this looks fabulous. I cannot wait to try. I want one of these plantains too. Looks so delicious.
I'll wait till after.
Okay, so you've got to stop in Moay Cafe for dinner. They're located on South 1st Street in the 3rd Ward, or that brunch. That sounds super great too. And catering, remember. You can follow them on Instagram and Facebook for their website. Go to mobaycafe.com. You can make a reservation, place an order for pickup, or place a catering order for your in-house or an at-home dinner party. That would be so unique and fabulous. They also offer Sunday brunch, as I mentioned, with a Jamaican-style breakfast.
Yum.
Oh my gosh, check.
Hold it
that
up. There you
out.
go. Those are big shrimp, too.
Gorgeous. Chef
Yummy.
Alex, it was a pleasure. Thank
Thank
you
you so much.